So we're down at the shop today. I noticed got a little coupler problem. The one on my tilt bucket works just fine, but whenever I started taking off the mower deck the last few times, I noticed I had a problem. So the problem is that right there, that coupling leaks. I don't know if it's going to leak now. We'll try it and see. Oh man, it's not leaking now. It's probably all leaked out, but basically when you unhook this coupling, it's not sealing up. So something's went awry with the coupling. And stay tuned. We're going to replace it. Hopefully get that sealed up. Especially on a brand new machine, brand new equipment, you want to ensure that you're not getting anything bad into the hydraulic system. And if you got a leak somewhere, you have the potential of getting something bad in the hydraulic system. So we're going to take care of that now. Stay tuned. All right, now that we had a little transit, you can kind of see there what I'm talking about. Most of it's leaked out, but this thing is leaking badly. In other words, when I unhooked it last time, I mean, it was just pouring out. There's really nothing stopping it. So we're going to take this off and pop on a new one. See if we can get a little bit better performance and not waste as much fluid. All right, so here's the replacement. It's not exactly the same brand. It's about the same length. There's really no difference in that. It's a little bit different design. It has a little groove here for the holder. Those usually don't last very well. They get hung up on things. So hopefully this will seal up a little bit better. So we should be sealed up. All we've got to do now is hook this thing back up, get a charge line, make sure everything works, and unhook it. See if we have a problem. Just kind of give you a view of the new unit. So let me get this cleaned up and we'll give it a try. got here. This is the one we just replaced. Big thing we're looking at is did we end up with a leak here? Now you do really want to be careful when you're messing with hydraulics. As you can see, this is on bypass, so there's really no stuck flow or no stuck pressure in this right now. That's why it's moving so easy. What I'm going to do now, I don't really have anywhere to put the camera, but I may be able to do it with one hand. We'll see here. Oh yeah. So before, if I did that right there, there would be fluid pouring everywhere. So I would say that we have that fixed, and this should be good to go now. Anyway, hope this helps some folks out and kind of give you an idea of, a lot of people have asked about flow rates on this deck. I have it turned down, and as you can see, the deck really moves and it spins up fast. Cuts really well. Anyway, thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one.